Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Akmal Al-Fatah with MPM 25412065. Today I would like to presentation about focus group discussion. Definition: FGD or focus group discussion is a data collection or information method and technique that was initially developed in marketing research. By using FGD in a relatively short time, quickly can be explored regarding perceptions, opinions, attitudes, motivations, knowledge, problems, and expectation of change related to current problems. A focus group is a small group discussion guided by a trained leader used to learn more about opinions on a designated topic and then guide future action. The purpose of the FGD: first, obtaining richer qualitative information about an issue, phenomenon, or experience compared to individual interviews. Second, understanding the perceptions, barriers, and needs of specific groups, age, students, consumers, the public. Third, leveraging interactions among participants to gather different viewpoints, resulting in more comprehensive data. Characteristics of FGD: the FGD was attended by participants who ideally consisted of 7 to 11 people. The FGD participants consisted of people with similar or relatively homogeneous characteristics that were determined based on goals and needs, study, or project. The FGD is a process of collecting data and therefore prioritizing the process. FGD is a qualitative data collection method and technique. The discussion is directed with a clear focus on issues or topics to be discussed and discussed together. FGDs should be carried out in a neutral place or space, adjust to the main consideration that participants can freely and not be afraid to express their opinions. Roles in focus group discussion: moderator or facilitator leads the discussion process, explains the purpose and ground rules, poses questions, keeps the group focused, and ensures equal participation, maintains a neutral and conducive atmosphere. Minutes of meeting: documents key points, ideas, and discussion flow, provides written records for later analysis, may also use audio or video recordings to complement notes. Participants share opinions, experience, and perspective related to the topic, interact with one another to enrich insight, serve as the primary source of qualitative data. Observer watches the discussion without direct involvement, record nonverbal such as gesture, expression, and group dynamics, add depth to the interpretation of result. Strength and weakness of FGD. Strength: synergism. A group is able to produce information, ideas, and broader views. Benefits of snowballs: comments obtained randomly from participants can spur chain reaction, divert response, and are very likely to generate new ideas. Stimulants: the experience of group discussion as something fun and more encouraging people to participate in issuing opinions. Security: individuals usually feel safer, free to express their feelings and thoughts than if individually they might be worried. Spontaneous: individuals in groups can be expected to express opinions or attitudes spontaneously in responding to questions, things that are not necessarily easy to occur in interviews. Weakness: because it can be done quickly and cheaply, FGDs are often used by decision makers to support the allegations or opinions of decision makers. The problem is how far the FGD is carried out according to the right principle and procedures. The FGD technique is easy to implement, but it is difficult to interpret the data. FGT is limited to being able to obtain more in-depth information from an individual what may be needed. This is because the FGD is limited in time and provides fair opportunities for all participants to express their opinions. For this, FGD should not be contradicted by other methods, but it must be seen as complementary. The FGD requires high-skill facilitator discussion groups. This is very influential on the result. Conclusion. In conclusion, focus group discussion or FGD are an effective qualitative data collection method for exploring the perception, opinions, motivation, and knowledge of a group of people in a relatively short period of time. FGD has specific characteristics such as an ideal number of participants 7 to 11 people, homogeneity of background, and being led by a trained facilitator with a focus on a specific issue. FGD are used in various stages of research and planning, ranging from problem identification, planning, implementation, to evaluation. Their advantages include generating a broader range of ideas through group synergy, spontaneously generating new ideas, and creating a sense of safety for the participants to express their opinions. However, its weaknesses include the difficult of interpreting data, time constraints that limit the ability to delve deeply into individual information, and reliance on the facilitator's skills. Overall, FGDs are a complementary and highly beneficial method in both research and decision making, provided they are conducted according to proper principles and procedures. Okay, everyone, that's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.